Well, we eventually got you. Come and have a look at what's set up for tonight.
Foot on the pedal, the engine roars, chasing horizons beyond the doors. Windows down, the breeze in my hair, freedom's calling, it's everywhere. Ride the wind, let it take you far, underneath the endless stars. Feel the rush as the miles unwind, leave the weight of the world behind. Yellow lines, they blur and fade, every turn a new path made. The sun did
A little bit as well. Talk. Yeah, we're good. Yep, can you hear me? Loud and clear. We'll test them 1, 2, 3. see where they are. Watch at the top though, because it's a steep drop on the other side. Make sure you get to the top, turn right straight away, you can't do the ditch. Where the house is, I'll see you up there. Did you just go through them big puddles? I'm watching you on the car. Top of the hill, straight ahead of you. Nah, I missed it. Class.
Now I must say, when it rains in Scotland, it really rains in Scotland.
Yeah, I think we need to have a drink. Get a fruit fresh air and a drink.
Well, I think the deco is lovely in your new house. If we go up the stairs, the bakes, room with a view. I'm liking it. Very nice.
Yeah.
Yes.
That's my boyfriend's
Right.
bed.
Be careful.
Right.
Yes. NUFC.
Kitchen, yeah.
Liam Lane. NUFC on the wall.
That would be active for the car.
It's a nice, spacious 4-bedroom house with an upstairs bathroom. Now, who would live in a house like this?
Raindrops fall so soft at night on the streets through the night. Clouds form and clouds are gray. It's a quiet, rainy day. Rain, rain falling down,
Yeah.
washing the world all around. Stay inside nice and warm while the rain sings its song.
Everybody's beating any out of the rain. You reckon? Absolutely mint. Oh. Fucking hell, that's steep. There he goes. Oh, he's made it, like. They've seen him do it now, I think they're all gonna go for it. Here he comes. Yeah, he just made it up, mate. Yeah. Gary comes up the middle, sending it. Oh, he's just fucking face planted the floor. Yeah, he's dipped his bike at the top. Ah, he's up. Is he up? He's hurt himself, I think. I think the helmet's the handlebars smacking in the ditch. He's yeah. Whee. Yep. Uh-huh. You what? Yeah. Let's go to the house. Out of the rain.
Go on. Yes.
Get up. Come on! Stand it up. Which side you going up, right or left? Where you going now? Watch for bikes coming. Ah, yeah. Just that. Aye, they're coming up your way now. Yeah.
I ride the roads like a rolling stone. Wind in my hair, I'm never alone. Dust kicks up with a howl and moan, chasing the horizon all on my own. Sunset fire lights the sky, tires screech, I'm flying high, speeding through the night on the slide. Freedom sparkles in my eye. I ride the roads, no path to follow, where I'm headed but ain't feeling hollow. Heartbeats shake like heavy thunder. Life's a wild ride, I just wonder. Broken lines blur as I pass, moments flash in a pool of glass. Dreams cascade under the overpass, chasing shadows that never last. Hitchhikers wave, but I roll on. Every mile feels like a song. Engines roar until the dawn. Journey's here until it's gone. I ride the roads, no path to follow, where I'm headed but ain't feeling hollow. Heartbeats shake like heavy thunder. Life's a wild ride, I just wonder. Broken lines blur as I pass,
I don't think we've been doing that one. We
moments
went over that one.
flash in a pool.
I think we should have a little ride along here. Turn the engine off, that's it. Good lad. Got it? Right, I'm going to have a little trip along here and see what's along this way.
Dreams cascade under the overpass, chasing shadows that never last. Hitchhikers wave, but I roll on. Every mile feels like a song. Engines roar until the dawn. Journey's here until it's gone. I ride the roads, no path to follow, where I'm headed but ain't feeling hollow. Heartbeats shake like heavy thunder. Life's a wild ride, I just wonder.
Again. Isn't the muscles good? You got it?
Yeah, but I don't know what the house is, but I get it down there.
Do you need a hand? So I'll come and help you. I'm on with you. You out of gear? No, you're not out of gear. Are you going to ride down that? Get on it then. Right. Keep it in neutral, give it a couple of reds. Just clear it out. Stick to the right. Got no intentions of it. Power slide. I'll tell you what, my clutch is much better since I put a new cable on mine. Look, I can two finger it. That, give it a little bit of beans, keep it, go on, keep it to the right. Get some speed up. Ditched it. I've just I just didn't make it through that, but you just made it through. Yeah, that doesn't look bad, it's just slippy. Yeah, just had a gamper, I think. Yeah. Look for you, follow the path that you're going to take and just go for it. Well, just turn around if you want. Yeah. Go backwards, go backwards. Right, hang on, I'll come and get you. Again. Hey, hang on, I'll come and get you. Coffee. Do you reckon? Go back down to the thingy for a cup of coffee and a drink. Let this rain pass over a bit. And you didn't really want it. You know, I didn't really want it, but we'll go. It's only 10 to 12. Go on, give it some beans, give it some beans. Push it forward with your feet as well. Yeah, that's it. 10 to 12. I know, I've got to go get it done now with that thing. I'm trying. You ditched it again? I've ditched it at the same place then. Don't worry about it. Oh, bastard! I've just fell in the ditch and fucking got my shin stuck between the fucking peg and the hill. Fucking hell. Fuck me. Oh, thought I was going to snap my shin bone there, seriously. Yeah. Get out, you fucker. Wow, I honestly thought I was going to, I didn't even know there was a hill behind us. That's probably why I shouldn't go backwards. That shin bone was snapped there, honestly. What's down here? Is this one that we weren't going to go down? Here you go. You need to. Shit. I've just sunk my fucking bike. Yeah. Yeah. Where I am to the left. Oh, look, he's ditched his bike. He's getting pulled back to your left. Don't know. Right, how is it? Off-roader coming in. Oh yeah.
Be the same. Looking back at the past, all the lessons that I learned. Every fall, every loss was a bridge that I burned. Now I'm stronger, now I'm wiser, got the fire in my soul. Every step, every breath, getting closer to my goal. Haters gonna hate, but I keep my head high. Eyes on the prize, reaching for the sky. No pain, no gain. It's the anthem of the streets. With the heart of a lion, we will never face defeat. No pain, no gain. We rise above the flames, through the fire, through the rain. We embrace the change. No pain, no gain. We conquer every chain. With the struggle comes a strength. We will never be the same. No pain, no gain. We rise above the flames, through the fire, through the rain. We embrace the change. No pain, no gain. We conquer every chain. With the struggle comes a strength. We will never be the same. Looking back at the past, all the lessons that I learned. Every fall, every loss was a bridge that I burned. Now I'm stronger, now I'm wiser, got the fire.
They're going through it, aye. They're away for it. Go left.
Where shadows creep, ancient whispers linger, secrets buried deep. Once a grand empire, now a ghostly shell in the halls of time, where forgotten souls dwell. Echoes of the forgotten call from the abyss. In the heart of the darkness I find my solace. With the weight of eternity I stand alone in this doom-laden call as I claim my throne. rise beneath the bloodlit moon. The chant of the choir sings a mournful tune. Through the ashes of glory, the past still burns. In the cycle of fate, a wheel forever turns.